Hey guys, here I am with another exciting video about the indicator cluster reversal zone. Have you ever wondered where the market is likely to reverse? The cluster reversal zone indicator helps us spot key areas where price might change direction. So in this video, I'll show you how this indicator works, what the circle mean, and how you can use them to improve your trading. So first of all, we need to understand what is a cluster reversal zone. So basically, a cluster reversal zone is an area where price often reacts. These zones are formed due to liquidity traps, smart money activities, and support and resistance clusters. So if I have to say one liner about each of these things, liquidity trap uh, is basically where big players grab orders before moving price. Smart money activity is the area where institutions push the market. Support and resistance clusters are where price reacting at important levels. Instead of manually marking levels, this indicator automatically detect basically detects and highlight them on the chart as you can see it here. So how to edit? So let me just remove it first. You simply search cluster oh, cluster reversal zone. You will find it by trade tech analysis. This is the one. Okay. uh, it's now with the name V1. It won't be updated because I recently made the changes. It won't be updated with this name. So cluster reversal zones is the indicator name, and I'll put the direct link to the indicator. This is freely available on TradingView, so no issues with that. I'll put a link to the indicator in the description. So as you can see, just now circle is trying to appear, and now let's see how it works. Gray bubble indicates area where price might reverse, while black bubble signals stronger confluence. So, if price rejects a bubble, it suggests a reversal. If price breaks through, momentum continues. Always confirm with price action, volume or trend structure before trading. Okay. So right now we could see that bubble is trying to appear. If it gets through this bubble, then it might be a strong momentum. And if it appears and then price rejects from here, then it is a rejection. Likewise, it happened here. It happened here. It break through and then momentum continued, right? It break through, momentum continued. Everywhere you can see that. So that's how basically the structure is. All these lines are the liquidity lines, you can say, the support and resistance lines, you can say, where these are basically could be the liquidity which are still untested. This could be the support and resistance which are still untested, and this is where it shows them on the chart as well. Okay, so that's the generally indicator how it works. So you can modify the settings as per your trading style. So right now it is 5-minute chart, 10 and 1.5. You can do it 20, and it takes a while to update. So right now it is, as you can see here, it is trying to calculate. Okay. So when you increase the window, you may get less signals, but that will be more filtered ones. Okay. Volume spike threshold you can increase as per your convenience or your trading style. So that is also totally up to you. Okay. You'll see the noise when you increase it, you'll see less noise on the chart. It will only show you the confirmed ones, but like I said, it is totally customizable. You can use it as per your trading style. Okay. So just to reiterate what we've discussed so far, basically gray bubbles mark areas where price might reverse. Black bubbles shows a stronger confluence. It can be high probability reversal or momentum shift. It also helps you avoid fake moves. Use your zones to confirm the smart money activities. If you want more strategies, comment below if you are ever been caught in a fake reversal, and like and subscribe for more trading signals. Turn on the bell icon as well for real-time market updates. With this, thank you so much and have a great day. See you in next free indicator video or the market prediction video.